Don't know your boy Dex Media. Don't know, so we do one video again, you know, man. Understand? Follow up video. I go for the farm. So stay tuned to the video. Cause that one here go mad. You see it? Yeah, man. Forward, now, man. I'm gonna show you how to go on.
And we call it Spanish nigger. So the rabbit, they love this. So when I'm coming down back, I'm going to take it up. I'm going to leave it here until I go and sort out the goat up there around the
Yes, I them here then use feed the rabbit.
Yes.
Yeah, farm get bushy. Nice one.
One of these seeds.
Got one of them. Wow. So why reason you cut it like that?
Because,
So you have to cut it?
yes, because I don't want it to fall on the ground. Because if they fall on the ground, then all of them will get damaged.
Yeah. And I see how you steer around people, get that spring up back.
Yes, and here's the next one that I'm catching up. Wow, this stick is not good. So we have a couple more planting soon. Ready.
Yeah, I don't know, I think that already. Last time when they see me there at the Portland market.
Yeah.
Now we can reap and we own. Remember somebody gets on this, they may even look better than the one at the market. Yeah.
Looking lovely.
Yeah man, looking really nice.
Hold it.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah man.
See, 1, 2, we have 2, 3, 4, 5 short planting we have here.
Wow, it's a blessing.
And we have bananas so ready.
Yeah. Reaping time.
And here we have a lot of pineapple. So let me get some more of the rabbit feed.
Yeah, rabbit then love them thing, people. Come on. First, yeah, take them for money.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 2, 4, 6, 11.
I'm gonna nail this. Yeah, I'm gonna fry this. Yeah. Yeah, beep is a basically as you can see. I go do the plantain now, you see it? Yeah, I go fry the plantain and make gonna see how I go on. Cause enough people that like to know how to deal with it right, you understand? Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I go on. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe as usual. Cause you don't know say enough more content like this we go post. Yeah man, big up. Alright, so the first thing I actually would do, I put oil in the pot. Yeah, about this is good. Turn them up good too. Basically, oil are going hot. So another meal on there. Make sure say make it cut the plant them. Always have one container and put them in and cut them. Yes guys. Alright. So basically this is your container. We are gonna put them in. You see it when I cut them. Alright. Bam. So you have to make sure so you peel the good and this is a key to make sure so your hand dry it as possible. Alright. So while you peel it, use a bounce, cut off this like that. You know? Cut it, flip it. And then the next thing we would do, you make sure so you follow that straight line with the right so cut it like this all the way down, and then now you just slit that, and then now you come over here so again and follow the straight line, and then now I do that. This we're gonna use press the blend them. And when you fry it, you press it. So I have to make sure so this good seeing you see it. Yeah, people, same procedure, is it? Same procedure. Very, very easy. Prepare for your hand and stain up. Yeah. You know, say your hand is stain up though. Yeah, people, so basically I'm gonna kill the process to done. You see it? Yeah. So that's how no I want if you stay when down, you know, take it out. You see it? It better you get it, at the prettier your plant and I go press. So them two here are the perfect one when I go work with. Yeah man. Yeah, them two here I work with. Here the pot I make nice, it's like the islands right now. Alright guys, so when down on I stain up, all I need for that, I rub some oil pound and thing. You see it here. But I'm not gonna show you that yet. Don't peel on the plant. I'm not gonna make sure so I'm gonna put the salt on. I don't know for the salt or the flavor. If you have black pepper, you can use black pepper too. But I use the salt. Alright. See them? Put the salt in my hand like that. And then now you have to just rub it around like this. See it? Yeah, people, you wanna see a deal with them. You just wanna rub it round, make sure it's the salt is running good. Okay, so basically the oil is hot right now. The oil is hot. So right now, I'm gonna put in the plant level. So, lagi ito na ito. Ano ba ito mo? Kaya daw. Ito burn. Good. Yeah, so basically, never turn them right now. You don't know if you don't want it to burn up, and you have to make sure so you check on them. Yeah, people, so basically, make sure so you turn them now, is it? Yeah. Yeah, you don't want it to burn. You don't want it to come out best as possible. So I always like to cover the pot. Now when I cover the pot, it normally soften more. So I normally cover the top with the pot like that. Alright, so basically I'm gonna show you how I do the pressing and alright. So I would make sure so you take it out, put it right there. And then I just put it on this side and you squeeze it just like that. Alright, so you don't want it to be too pressed out either. You just want it to be just normal. See what this look nice? And you just continue that process. You press it just like that. Just like that, people. You're not gonna press it all out though. You see it? Yeah, just like that. Watch it. Nice. Yeah guys, so basically I'm gonna do the last thing now. Here we're gonna put them back in the pot again and fry them over back. You understand? Remember, so you done first, so I go fry it back now. Just like that. So this process, yeah, you're not gonna fry it too long right now. You don't want it for too crispy either. You just want it to just nice. Just alright. You understand? Yeah man. So we did them man. Yeah, people basically I'm gonna turn them now, is it? As you can see. Realize the process here and take a long though, is it? Yeah man, I wanna just gauge it. If you don't want it for crisp, well crisp and thing, yeah, I wanna make it stay long. But if you don't want it for soft and nice, yeah, and taste good same way. Right, I'm gonna show you. It's very nice, people, very nice, man. Tell you. So good. So nice. Not sure. Pick up everybody who just watched the video. And please leave something in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm sure do more video like this same way. Yeah man, more see you in the comment section. Peace out, X Media.